Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can stop disgusting and boring apps on your device. When we use a phone, that time we get a lot of prompt advertising and ad on our mobile screen. Okay, so basically it comes from Google Chrome, basically Google Chromes and also other apps. So basically most of the ad we come we are getting from Google Chrome. So how can you stop Google Chrome pop-up ad? Okay, so simply go to settings. Here you can see the settings option and scroll down and find your app management or app manager. It varies the different mobile, so just find your app. Okay, here my mobile, the option app management, you can see here. Click on it and here you go the app list, so you can find your own phone the app list or something else you can check in your phone. So the first one, app list, click on it and here you can see they scroll down and you can see here Chrome. Okay, click on it and then here you can see the manage notification, the third option of this interface. So click on it, manage notification, and here you can see the first option, browser. Okay, browser means it comes at from browser, so it's newspaper or anything else. Okay, so it comes from browser, so simply turn it off, then problem solved. Okay, the next time you will not get you will not get any ad from Google Chrome ad. Okay, so friends, please make sure subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.